Introducing Stability Tracker Pro, the complete Excel automation solution for pharmaceutical stability management by Pharma Excel Solutions. Managing thousands of stability samples, reports, timelines, and laboratory activities manually can be time-consuming, complex, and prone to errors. It's time for a smarter approach. Welcome to Stability Tracker Pro, an intelligent Excel-based solution developed specifically for pharmaceutical quality control laboratories to simplify stability management from sample withdrawal to final report release. The powerful real-time dashboard gives you complete visibility with instant KPI cards for total samples, pending, released, critical, major, and within timeline activities, helping your team make faster and smarter decisions. Stay ahead of every deadline with intelligent due date monitoring. Instantly identify samples due in 7 days, 3 days, 1 day, and overdue samples, ensuring that no stability activity is ever missed. The Smart Insight Hub automatically classifies samples as critical, major, or within timeline, allowing your team to focus on the highest priority work first. Monitor all pending laboratory activities from a single screen using the Analytical Pending Tracker. Instantly filter records by product name, batch number, market, test name, or analyst, giving complete control over every pending analysis. The centralized control center makes system management simple. Configure application settings, refresh live data, manage users, automate email notifications, schedule backups, and control the entire system from one intuitive location. Generate professional monthly reports instantly with automated calculations, graphical summaries, and management-ready dashboards. Review sample status, pending activities, released reports, and laboratory performance in just a few clicks. Track annual performance through the yearly summary dashboard, where every month's released samples, pending activities, completed reports, and overall trends are displayed in one comprehensive table, making management reviews and strategic planning faster than ever. Built-in PDF export, email automation, and automatic backup features eliminate repetitive manual work while protecting valuable laboratory data and improving regulatory compliance. Designed for speed, reliability, and accuracy, Stability Tracker Pro is fully compatible with Microsoft Excel 365, requires no coding, and delivers intelligent automation without changing your existing workflow. Whether you're a QC analyst, stability coordinator, QA manager, or laboratory head, Stability Tracker Pro helps save hundreds of working hours, improve productivity, increase data accuracy, and strengthen compliance across your stability program. Smarter, faster, more reliable. Transform the way your laboratory manages pharmaceutical stability studies with intelligent Excel automation. Visit www.pharmaexcelsolutions.com to explore the complete solution. Follow Pharma Excel Solutions on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and X for product updates, Excel automation tips, feature demonstrations, and the latest innovations in pharmaceutical digital solutions. Stability Tracker Pro by Pharma Excel Solutions. Request your free demo today and experience the future of pharmaceutical Excel automation.